LTX 2.3 is hands down the best way to create talking head videos using your own custom audio, and I've pushed it even further. I built a workflow that lets you define a starting frame, a middle frame, and a final frame, giving you way more control over how your shot evolves. But before we get into the flexibility of this upgraded workflow, let's start with the standard IA2V setup, which only uses the first frame. The IA2V workflow gives you only one real lever, a starting image and your audio. Sure, you can nudge the motion with the prompt, but that's as far as it goes. You're still stuck inside the boundaries of that first frame. So let's have a look at that workflow right now. So this is the starting image or the first frame, and we have an audio file. And let's play that audio now. I wasn't planning to make this video, but YouTube just dropped something that could completely change the short form game, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. A few days ago, I woke up, checked my phone. So those are the first 10 seconds of the video. And again, let's look at the starting image. And let's look at the prompt. The prompt that I put in for this workflow is content creator talking to the camera, all words spoken by the subject. And let's have a look at the output. But YouTube, I wasn't planning to make this video, but YouTube just dropped something that could completely change the short form game, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. A few days ago, I woke. So as you guys saw, the output was not bad. It was very good. However, if you want more flexibility, I will show you the next workflow. Let's look at the parts of this workflow. First, we have the starting frame. Just like the previous workflow, this is how the video starts. However, for this workflow, we're adding 2 additional frames. The next one is the middle frame, and the last one is the last frame. We will be using the same audio for this demo. And also, I would like to call out that this image, I just use Flux Klein 9B image edit workflow, the same one that you can get from templates in Comfy UI. So if you go to image and if you just look for 9B, it's this one. So let me show you. This is what I was doing earlier. This is a latter generation, but earlier I did a banana. So this is an apple. But earlier that banana image was from that workflow. Sorry, that's the wrong one. So now let's listen to the audio just to make sure it is the right one. I wasn't planning to make this video, but YouTube just dropped something that could completely change the short form game, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. A few days ago, I woke up, checked my phone. So if you guys heard, that is the same audio. And before we look at the output of this workflow, let's look at the prompt. The prompt I've put in is content creator talking to the camera, grabs a banana, then puts on his sunglasses. Let's have a look at the frames one more time. Starting frame, a half body shot. Middle frame, I am holding a banana. And the third frame, I am wearing sunglasses. Now let's play that let's play that video.
Hey, quick question. Are you still running OpenClaw for your local AI workflows? Because if you are, you might be leaving a lot on the table. In this video, I'm going to break down now exactly why Hermes is the better choice, and by
So that's the full middle last frame workflow in action. Instead of being locked to a single starting image, you're now shaping the entire motion arc, from how the shot begins, to how it evolves, and to exactly how it ends. This is the kind of control IA2V never had, and it's what makes this workflow feel like actually directing instead of just prompting. All workflows that we discussed in this video is available in my GitHub. The link is in the description below. I hope you liked this video, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.